Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you updates and tips on how you can earn free crypto for yourself. You can see I have 56,000 TRX in my dashboard, so I'll be showing you this platform and how you can make up your own money. Firstly, we need to register in this platform. You just have to input your account name, password, confirm password, your phone number, email, and you are good to go. And once you register on this platform, it will show successful and you are ready and good to go to start bagging free TRS for yourself through mining and through investing. So quickly, this is the interface of this platform. This is the interface. You can see my total balance 56 TRS. This 56 TRS is absolutely totally free. So once you click on VIP, it takes you to this interface. They have from level 1 to level 7. Remember, the higher level you subscribe to, the higher money and profits you are bagging for yourself. Quickly, let me show you how you can also earn money in this platform by through invitation of friends. So once you click on invitation reward, this is this interface. Once you invite your friends in this platform, you'll be earning massive income from yourself through commissions. You can see invite friends to recharge, win 6% recharge rebate. So all you just have to do is copy your referral link and send it to your friends, and make sure that they register with your referral code. Once they register with your referral code, you are good to go. You start bagging extra income for yourself absolutely free. So once your friends are registering with your link, you are bagging free income for yourself, free crypto and free TRS you'll be making for yourself. So quickly, let me show you how you can top up in this platform. How you can top up in this platform: once you click on fast recharge, if you click on fast recharge, it will take you to this interface. This interface is where you'll be getting the TRS address or the address of this platform for you to top up and recharge for yourself. So once you top up and recharge for yourself, you can be able to subscribe to any VIP of your choice. You can use your TRS 20 USDT, or you use your TRS, any option of your choice, and you are good to go. You start bagging money for yourself. So this is how you can also withdraw in this platform. So I'll be teaching you how you can withdraw. So once you click on fast withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. So interface is where you will be inputting all your details, or the your address, the amount of TRS you wish to withdraw from this platform. And remember, once you are withdrawing, it just takes less than 2 minutes. You'll be getting your TRS or your money you have bagged into your wallet immediately, and there is no waste of time. So just here, what you just have to do is input your chain name, your TRS, input your withdrawal address, your fund password, and you click on withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, you have already successfully withdraw your money, and you have nothing to worry about, because you'll be getting your money or your TRS absolutely into your wallet. So quickly, thank you so much. I hope you find this video very helpful. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel so you'll be first to be notified once we upload new videos. Thank you for joining us. Bye.